Today, we're coding a Python script that taps directly into Wikipedia's knowledge, right in your terminal. Ask it anything, get answers instantly. Let's build it. Before we code, make sure you have Python and the Wikipedia library installed. Let's create a Python file called wiki.py. We'll write a function that fetches answers from Wikipedia. Let's open a text editor and start typing in the code. Don't worry about getting everything perfect right now. I'll share the full code in the description below so you can copy and paste it easily. Save the file, open a terminal, navigate to its location, and type python wiki.py. Now you can ask any question. Experiment with different questions, modify the script to add features, and explore ways to personalize your experience. Coding is all about creativity. You've now built a Python script that unlocks Wikipedia's knowledge. Keep practicing, keep coding, and keep learning. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more. Happy coding!